Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. Here on this channel we teach different tutorial on how to make money online, different tools for working boys. We deal with different updates like crypto flashing method. We develop a website and so on. If you need any updates, kindly reach out to me on WhatsApp. You can also join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel for more updates. So in today's video, I want to teach you guys how you can clone voice, how you can clone your celeb voice. Many of you don't know how to clone celeb voice. You can use this for different purpose. Please, this video is for educational purpose. Do not use it for legal purpose. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you go to this website. I'll be dropping the link in the description. Understand? I'll be dropping the link in the description. This is the website. Understand? After you visited this website, then you go to your Play Store to download this app. You need to convert our celeb to mp3, our video to mp3. You need to convert our video, so you search for video to mp3 on your Play Store. So you download this particular app. It's free to use. Videos to mp3. After downloading, then you will open it. We'll be cloning this celeb voice called Donald Trump. Donald Trump. We're cloning this video. This is
a couple of weeks ago. She's so beautiful. Her skin.
This is the video. So we head over to this app. Open the app. It's very easy to use. Let's wait for it to open. So once you are on this interface now, what you will do is click on video to audio. Then you select the audio and the video. You select the video. You can see this the video. So once you select the video, you can just cut like 10 seconds of the video. You can decide to go with that, but I always just cut 10 to 50 seconds of the voice, just a voice. Then you click on convert. Once you click on convert, we are successfully convert our video to mp3. That is the first part. So the second part is to go to this website, because we are using this website to clone our celeb. It will talk what we want, because this update is very sharp. This voice cloning site that I'm showing you guys is free to use. You are not paying. Not like other voice cloning site that you are paying. That is why I'm here for you guys. If you are enjoying this video so far, please like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss my update whenever I drop it. So now, once you're on this interface, click on this voice clone that they wrote. There is voice design and there is voice clone. So you choose this voice clone part. You can see here, this place here, they say you drop your audio, which means the audio will convert, the video will convert to audio. That's why we convert it to audio. You can decide to use your voice, to record your voice here, but if you click on this second icon here that shows microphone logo, that means you can record your voice. You can decide to record your voice. But for the purpose of this video, we are uploading the file, the audio file here. So you just click on this audio. I'll go to my audio file to upload it. This is the audio. So this is the audio here. I'll just upload it. Let me play it.
I love Nicki Minaj. She was here.
That is our celeb voice. That is Donald Trump speaking. So like this now, this place now, what you do here is tick this box. You need to tick this box. Just tick this box. Once you tick this box, then they'll tell you to write what you want the voice to talk. Because after we clone it, you can still, the thing will bring bring out what the voice will talk. So for the purpose, I'll go to my ChatGPT to generate just short words we can use. So I'll just go to my ChatGPT. I'll go to my ChatGPT or any AI I'll just go to my ChatGPT and type this type of thing. You can decide to generate your own your own words, your own text that you want the thing to talk. You understand? So I'll just tell ChatGPT to give me a short this thing, 10 seconds. Then I will copy it. Understand? This is very simple. So just like I'm generating what I want the voice to talk, understand? Then I will put it, understand? So this language can decide to select any language, understand? I will not try other language. I love leave it to auto, understand, based on the voice is in English. So to automatically clone the voice. So once you are on this place now, you click on clone and generate. Once you click on clone and generate, you wait for it to load, understand? So let's wait for it to process. It is processing. You can see the details. So let's check. It's still processing, understand? Do not panic. So after it's processed, we will see what the output is. So make sure you like and share this video, because it's not easy to drop a free voice cloning video like this, understand? So let's wait for it to load finish, understand? So our voice clone has been generated successfully and has been completed, understand? You can see it, voice clone generation completed successfully. So to check, let's play our video and check.
Hello, everyone. I'm excited to share this moment with you. Keep believing in yourself. Stay focused on your goals.
You can see the voice is sound exactly like Donald Trump. It's not easy to get this kind of information. So if you check this voice
Here a couple of weeks ago,
this video we convert to mp3, which is we convert it to audio. So this is the clone. This thing can use this update for many purposes. If you enjoyed this video so far, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So if you want to download it now, just click on this icon, download button. You see the download and share button. So once you click on this download button, you will download the audio. Start. Let's wait for you. And just click on download. Very easy. Then open it.
Hello, everyone. I'm excited to share this moment.
So that is that on this video. Please join my Telegram channel for more updates. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.